Right, hello folks, I've not had this hat for a while. It's the Hatson Gladius. Fitted to it, I've got the one leaf optical scope. It's known as the Rapid Plus because it's also got on the back of it the night and day vision and the 100 commander. So I'll be recording through the scope. That's what it was set up and designed for. And we'll see how we get on. I've actually fitted on an aftermarket 3D printed muzzle brake, which kind of thing you'd have on a Barrett. Obviously it's just for show, this one is. So I want to make sure it's still accurate. So I'm using the JTS Dead Center 16 grain pellets. So let's see how we get on. Okay, we're recording that. So it's going through the same hole, just needs slight adjustment. So we've got protective caps on top of the scope. Let's see. Right, got to go up slightly. Go to the right. It's not moved it much, has it? Okay, elevation's right. Come down slightly. Okay. Yeah, we're about on, I think. Yeah, I'll go one more click to the right. Yeah, more or less on. I've lost count here. That might be the last one I've just fired actually. I'll soon find out. Yeah, we're on. Yep, that's it, last shot. So yeah, accuracy's not gone anywhere. It is shrouded, this one. You can fit an external mod on it if you want to, but it's pretty quiet as it is. So what I'll do now, I'm going to fire down the garden at the other targets, which are About another 3 yards further on, maybe 4 yards, and see if that makes any difference to the point of aim being a 2-2. It shouldn't do. 16 grain pellets should be okay. Okay. Still on. I'm out. Okay then. Yep, so happy with that. Everything's on target again. Nice scopes these are. If you want an optical scope, you can buy the scope. I think they're around 300 quid. And then if you want to buy one of Commander later on, you've got a night day vision camera setup. If you're a YouTuber, you've got something that can show you shots through your rifles as well. So that is that. Very bright and clear. To be honest, the camera view don't do it justice. But nice scope. So that's just a quick video showing you the new add-on and zeroing back in the Rapid Fire Plus scope from One Leaf. Thanks for watching.